Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. I am Lamra A. Abu, and together with Yaisa, we are going to discuss the technology tools for the 21st century teacher beyond the basics.
Technology tools for the 21st century teacher beyond the basics. The 21st century is a time of rapid change, and while the brain may not be changing, the tools we use to feed it are. This puts the 21st century teacher in a critical spot of mastering constantly evolving technology and digital tools, the same tools their students use every day. So there are 5 themes for the 21st century. So first is the global awareness. Second is financial, economic, business and entrepreneurial literacy. Third is civic literacy. Fourth is the health literacy and the environmental literacy. For the categories of 21st century skills, so we have the ways of thinking, ways of working, tools for working, and skills for living in the world. So for the ways of thinking, an effective 21st century educator thinks about their students' future and is aware of the career opportunities that may arise from them. They are always planning to ensure that no one child gets left behind, so they focus on preparing today's children for what's to come in the future. So for the second is the ways of working, or how a team collaborates. It should lead to connection, belonging, trust, speed, and momentum. So for the tools for working, where the information and communication technology, or the ICT and information literacy belong. For the skills for living in the world, where citizenship, second, life and career, third, personal and social responsibility belong. Let's now move on into putting concepts into practice. So first is the collaborative problem solving, or working together to solve a common challenge, which involves the contribution and exchange of ideas, knowledge, or resources to achieve the goal. For the ICT literacy, or the learning in digital networks, this is learning through digital means such as social networking, ICT literacy, technological awareness, and simulation. So learning to collaborate with others and connect through technology are essential skills in a knowledge-based economy. The knowledge creation approach. So for the curriculum and assessment, with this approach, the curriculum goes beyond a focus on knowledge of school subjects to explicitly include the 21st century skills such as problem solving, communication, collaboration, and critical thinking. So the students will also need to be able to determine their own learning goals and plans. Assessment is itself a part of this process. Students must be able to assess the quality of their own and each other's products. Teacher skills. Teacher must know about complex cognitive thought processes, know how students learn, and understand the difficulties students encounter. They must have the skills required to support these complex processes. So for the technology, the curricular goals, which is the pervasive technology, a variety of network devices, digital resources, and electronic environments are used to create and support this community in its production of knowledge and anytime, anywhere collaborative learning. For the teacher skills, teachers must be able to design ICT-based knowledge communities and use ICT to support the development of students' knowledge creation skills and their continuous reflective learning. Let us all remember, ICT changed the way teachers teach and students learn. This is a call to shift from being a teacher-centered to learner-centered. Pedagogical use of ICT in education is coupled with many theoretical and learning perspectives. So there is no single approach that is effective to all. One should consider the available technology. And last one, effective integration of ICT in teaching and learning is not about the latest and most advanced technology. So let us now hear what are the tools a teacher should be able to use.